everyone, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Now, it was a packed Red Roses for Gregory showcase on Sunday evening. The Mother's Day event saw hundreds of mothers out to enjoy performances from headliner international R&B superstar the Manhattans and Denise Williams. Now, the Manhattans, who throughout their career recorded over 45 Billboard R&B hit songs, including 12 top 10 hits in the United States, delivered a stellar performance.
Baby, when you touch, I love you so much. You're all I ever dreamed of. Yeah, baby.
71-year-old Denise Williams was especially awarded the keys to the city by Kingston Mayor Delroy Williams. As the first U.S. person to get this honor, she told E-Prime she was elated.
I feel the love, and every time I come here, it's just the love that I feel and the love that they have for me, the love I have for them. So I'm very, very happy being here tonight. It was just a shock to get the key to the city. So now what I've got to figure out what I'm going to do with that key.
Now, she also updated us on her recent project.
Well, I've been working on a new project for a while, and I've been saying that this was my last recorded project, so I'm trying to get that finished up as we speak.
Red Roses for Gregory also featured Grammy-nominated reggae artist Titana, plus Tracy Lodge and others.
We are better tomorrow. Well, there'll be a better tomorrow. There'll be a better tomorrow. He couldn't believe the things that he heard, no. But now he's seen it for his own eyes. He knows actions speak louder than words.
Tony and Singh surprised fans in the UK. The former beauty queen and songbird made a guest appearance during Popcorn's UK sold-out show in Bristol last week, performing their collab Next to Me. Popcorn is currently on the European leg of his Greatest Hits tour, which sees stops in Zurich, Berlin, Brussels, and wraps in Madrid. He's also gearing up for UK's Unruly Fest come November. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.